So I would describe the Active Cosmetics division as the division within L'Oreal that's focused on one of the hottest topics in beauty, and that's skincare. A lot of people say that it feels very much like working in a startup with the backing of the world's largest beauty company behind you.
The most fun aspect of working at L'Oreal is constantly working on projects, figuring out new ways to innovate.
I've had the opportunity to grow into different areas, to see different areas of the business, to gain exposure to different processes.
I would describe the culture of the Active Cosmetic division as we're a startup in a big company. We're very nimble, we like to test and learn new projects, we like challenges. I currently work on CRM and media, so I have the opportunity to work in one of the most dynamic fields, which is digital.
Because we're smaller, a bit more entrepreneurial, we really get to see things go to market very quickly and often in a very innovative way. My favorite perk or benefit would be the L'Oreal pension plan. When I explain to family and friends that we have a pension, they're blown away because that's a very rare thing these days. The fact that L'Oreal values its employees and has a program that takes care of us when we're in retirement, I think is pretty fantastic.
We encourage people to take risk. We encourage people to test and learn in a way that might not exist in some of the other bigger divisions.